Introduction to Programming, C program, jntuk, r23 regulation, set number 2, date of examination, January 2025. Introduction to Programming, common to all first btech students. Part A, 2 marks questions. Name any 5 features of C programming language. What is a variable? How to declare a variable? Define loop. Write different forms of a loop in C. How to use break and continue statement in C. What is an array? Explain syntax to declare one-dimensional array using example. Why it is necessary to count null character while declaring a string. What is a null pointer? What is its use? What is a self-referential structure? What is a data file? Write different categories of a data files. Differentiate function declaration and function define a definition in C. Part B, 10 marks questions ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. What is a flowchart? Explain various flowchart symbols. Draw a flowchart to find maximum of 3 numbers. What is the significance of storage in a computer? What are the different types of storage mediums available for a typical PC user? Write the steps involved in programming development process. Explain various continues followed to write pseudocode. Write pseudocode to find the biggest number of a given set. Unit 2, 4th lo A, write the syntaxes of will and do will loops. Differentiate between them. Write a C program to find the roots of a quadratic equations. 5th lo A, describe a syntax of for loop and write a C program to find the fractional of a given number using for loop. What is the purpose of a continuous and go to statements? Give example. Unit 3, 6th lo A, write a note on inbuilt string functions and write a program to find the string length. Write a program to find the second highest and smallest number in the given array. Discuss about string manipulations functions. Define an array. Write a C code for matrix multiplication using arrays. Unit 4, 8th lo A, define union. Write the advantages of union over structure. Justify your answer. Write a C program to access the values of an array of element using pointer. 9th lo A, represent a complex number using a structure in C. Write a C program that perform the following operations: addition of 2 complex numbers, subtraction of 2 complex numbers. B, what is dynamic memory allocation and explain the difference between malloc function and calloc function. Unit 5, 10th lo A, develop a C program to find the contents into file using the I/O. How to structure elements can be passed to functions. Explain with an example program. 11th lo A, differentiate call by value and call by reference. Explain about the fopen, fclose, foff, fprint of, fscanf, fseek and rewind functions. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోస్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి. ఏ మోడల్స్ అయితే కామన్గా వస్తున్నాయో వాటిని జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.